Hey guys, this is Kai here. What's up? So today I'm going to talk about product research. Okay, product research is one of the most important criteria in setting up an e-commerce business. Why? Because e-commerce is in fact 90% product and 10% marketing. Why I say that is because imagine that you already have products that your customers is already looking for and there's a demand for it. So you before even you start to do any marketing, your customer has already been sold, right? All it needs is just for them to get exposed to know that your product exists, and then you showcase your product to them, right? So that's why this product research is very important, okay, uh, to really helps you to save your cost on marketing and save costs in purchasing the right products to sell to your customers. So right now, what determines the bad products? Okay, firstly, it does not serve any purpose. Okay, what I mean by that is that you can have something that might have a purpose on a targeted audiences. For example, an umbrella who targets adults, but it might not target to a children that needs an umbrella, right? So you if you are targeting children, okay, you should have a product that serves a purpose, right? So um, next, it needs to it does not have a mass market appeal, okay, which means to say the product might not be very popular. It might only be targeting a specific niche of people, right? So it might not you will have difficulty scaling up later on, okay. And moreover, the third point is that it does not have enough demands, okay. When they have no demands, right, they will have large supply, so you will not be able to get a lot of sales from that particular products, okay. Everything's every business start with a demand. Okay, if there's no demand for certain products, how will you be able to uh, get the customer to sell it? Okay, that's why it's when we talk about product research, it's really not about what you want to sell, but instead what the customer needs, right? So the last point that determines a bad product is that it is easily available in brick and mortar retail, like places in popular in Kitty Palace. Now Toy Terrace is no longer around in Singapore, but Kitty Palace is becoming a very big marketplace for toys, right? So if you need to look at something, you know, I mean, or you can check it out at any like BHG or um, any big market that it exists in the brick and mortar in Singapore to see whether or not how how niche is this product that you are going to um, promote, you're going to sell. Okay, right now, next we're going to determine what is how does a good products um, the characteristic of a good products. Okay, first is simple yet is unique. Okay, if it's a product that is not able to be found anywhere in a brick and mortar or any local place, definitely people will get from you, right? If this is something that they are looking for and is serving a true purpose, okay. When it serves a true purpose, it means that it is helping them to on a helping your customers to solve a particular thing, to have a values for them, okay. It serves as a value for them, okay. And then having said that, you will have a mass market appeal needs. Okay, meaning to say a lot of people are looking for that, and there's a trend that is coming up. Okay, lastly, like what I said previously, we are what we are looking for is not what we want, but what the customer needs rather than what they want. Because what a customer needs meaning to say that when they need something, it's become a necessity. Okay, rather than I want something, right? And once it's only saying that, oh, I wish that I have this, I wanted something. It might, it's not having needs is a more passionate way of it. Is to target a more passionate customers, which can um, helps. We can increase that kind of persuasive uh, presence. Okay, you can help to if you are focusing more on the needs rather than the wants, it increase your product's perceived values. Okay, so how to determine that your products is a winning products? Firstly, you must match at least match at least three of the below points. Okay, criteria. Okay, firstly, it improves the confidence of their customers. Okay, it improves the convenience. It solves the problem. Okay, it helps to save people's money. It is extremely unique. Okay, and enhance the quality of life. It has a high perceived value, and it's a woman dominated market. Why we say it's a woman dominated market? If you do some research, it shows that women are more prone to buying things online. Okay, they are more um, passionate shoppers online, but that doesn't mean that you can't target men's. Okay, it's really up to individual for the last point, but for me, I'm very focused on women's dominated market. Okay, so these are all the 8 points. Okay, so as long as the product is able to have three of these points, you are able to tell yourself why uh, how your products can have all either three of these um, criteria, then you can start to really bring a few of the products in and try it out. Okay, so for example, this I've come out with two products. Okay, a learning puzzle board. Okay, and a LOL surprise door. Okay, so how I compare for a learning puzzle board? How can it help? To me, it improves the confidence of the child. Okay, it improves the convenience. Okay, for them to learn alphabets at home. Okay, it solves the problem. It solves the problems for the parents to be able to give them to learn alphabet as well as hands-on movement because of the way that this puzzle board is designed. Okay, well with this, it definitely improves the quality of life. Okay, and learning have a very high perceived values. Okay, so I'm also looking at women's dominated because as parents, women's are I could say that women are more concerned on the child's education, right? And whereas for the other LOL surprise door, I don't know, it it might be a woman dominated since it's very cute. But other than that, I can't see where it can help in other areas, in other points. criteria that I have. Okay, now you might have your own opinion about LOL surprise door, but to me, I don't see any much of the values. I can only see that okay, this is a trend, okay, but after a while, the trend will die out, and that's it. What I'm looking for is a long term kind of products that is there will always be a needs for it. Okay, and to me, a learning materials is definitely for long term. Okay, rather than a LOL surprise door, there's a lot of surprise egg, surprise door available. So how long can you keep the trend? Yes, you might have a immediate impact. You might have generated um, money or revenue in it. But how long can it last? Yeah. So in my way of looking, that's not what I want. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a long term kind of products that provides values for my customers. Okay. So next, I will go to these three platform. Okay, to look for uh, the products. That once you have determined that um, it has it has meet the three criteria that you can bring in to sell. Okay, first is Q10, Lazada, and Shopee. Right. So I have went. In fact, I went in. Okay, I have went to the toys, board games, and puzzle. Right. So as you can see, there are something that is similar. Okay, to what I have searched for. Right. So you can see that there are demands for it. Okay, there are in fact demands for it, and when I go to Lazada as well, and I have went to toys and games, okay, I could also see that there are demands for something similar. Okay, like all the alphabets jigsaw puzzle. Okay, and then in Shopee, look, you see, there are 228 sold. Okay, and there are other similar product as well. Okay, so with this, you know that okay, there's something that uh, the customers are looking for. Okay, you can just do your own diligence. Okay, once you have a product that you feel is suitable, you can just go to these three platform. Okay, if you want to sell in Singapore, you can go to these three platform to look at whether or not your products have the demands. Okay, right. So it shows that the product that I have been showing has is simple, right? It's simple and unique. Okay, it serves a purpose. It's providing educational values for um, the kids. There's a mass market appeal since that all three platform has the products. Is selling is in the top pages, right? In the first page of all the three platform, the three popular platform in Singapore, and then it's a needs rather than wants, right? So with this, okay, I'm going to end this video with this uh, quote. Okay, spend 80% of your time on product research to find your winning products, and you will see sales coming in. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. If you find that my video is of any values, please subscribe to me and comment below what are some of the tactics that you have been using, or if this works for you. Okay, So thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.